Welcome to e-Amida, the first open-source software as a service module-based LMS platform and suitable for any type of training activity, formal training, informal training, continuing education, and subsidized training. e-Amida is the LMS platform with more functions and reports on the current market. Our application bases on client architecture in a web environment, does not require any installation, and is programmed with the newest programming languages, and enhanced under Oracle, ensures the robustness of the data and the security. Let's have a look at the homepage. Once you have access to the platform, we will be in the homepage from which we can access to different options through the menus. The initial page is common to all profiles user. Here we can see a series of widgets, which is adaptable to different country, client, and working area. Through this page, we could access to registered courses. We also can access to the notices and notifications section through the options of different menus. On the left, we could see the user profile section, where we can change our personal data. We may also access to the academic and personal calendar that automatically store the timetable of the courses, which the user has registered. In addition, the calendar also allows the user to create personal events. Finally, we have the news section, where news are published about different new items created by teachers, tutors, and administrators. In addition to profiles of the administrator, teacher, and student, e-Amida incorporates two additional profiles to the course, the auditor and the tutor profiles. In case that the user has multiple profiles simultaneously, it allows the user to change profile without connecting from the platform. Now let's have a look at some of the most significant functions of each profile. The first, student profile. Registered user to one or more online courses. Let's have a look at an example. A student has registered to the course English for Taxi Drivers. When we access to the course, we can see that all the courses are divided into teaching modules and then are subdivided into teaching units, where the student can find documents, course activities, and quizzes. e-Amida supports all formats and types of documents. Office software such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, web page, Flash, or HTML5, video and audio profiles, and links to YouTube videos. Supporting of all these types of documents allows the platform to store information about accesses and downloads through tracking variables. In the basic license, we can find 50 monitoring and auditing variables, whereas in the proprietary version, we could find over 150. The student also has activities delivery area, through which they can send different activities from different teachers to the platform for further evaluation and comments. The student has a series of tools to interact with other community members. These social tools are trying to create a sense of belonging to the training community and avoid the feeling of loneliness that often occurs to our students during the course. Tools. With these tools, they can chat, join in extra academic forums, or browse other users' profiles. Finally, in the secretary section, students can access to their grades, titles, and all courses materials they have been registered. Let's have a look at the second profile, the professor profile. The teacher is the user of the application who executes the training process. This action is done through the unfolding of the teaching modules assigned to it. Through the courses menu, we can access to the administration area of the modules that the teacher has assigned. For each module assigned, a teacher can manage the teaching units that has organized or will organize the module. We can publish documents and activities, or we can generate different self-assessment questionnaires. Teachers, through this screen, they also can access to the management of different academic forums assigned to each training module and Dropbox area, from where they can download and evaluate each of the activities presented by their students, incorporating the possibility of adding a comment as a feedback. Teachers also have the video conferencing tool, fully integrated tool in e-Amida that allows the creation of rooms for lectures, listening rooms, audio chat, whiteboard, and etc. Once we access to the classroom video conferencing, we can share the whiteboard, share files, or even share our desktop. Through the student menu, teachers have the space to qualify and monitor their students, displaying the relevant information regarding the monitoring of students enrolled in their teaching modules. Finally, through the option News on the Community menu, teachers can create and manage different news published for student groups. Third, administrative profile. The administrator is responsible for designing and formalizing the training process. Designing for each course the learning modules that compose and assigned different users, including students, teachers, and tutors. These actions can be done through the Manage Course menu, where the administrator can create new courses and course categories. The creation and management of teaching modules, or importation of courses based on the SCORM standard, as well as the promotion of courses, that is, the creation of new courses from courses already created. Additionally, the administrator has the satisfaction surveys management in order to evaluate different criteria under the training conducted. Assigning users can do it from the Management Training Modules option or through User Management on User menu, where the administrators can assign to all users, including students, teachers, tutors, and auditors, to different training modules. Fourth, tutor profile. The tutor is ultimately responsible for monitoring the students registered in the course. The tutoring space is available to perform these tasks. The tutor has the full management of the tutoring courses, which he has been assigned, by publishing mentoring documents, managing mentoring forums, or access to tutoring mailbox, where the students can communicate with tutors about the various aspects of the courses. In the same way, the tutor has a series of tools to track the students and their evaluations and ratings. Fifth, auditor profile. The auditor is responsible for ensuring the correct monitoring and auditing during the course. The auditor could be a super course user responsible for the full tracking of the courses by creating reports about the courses and the students. The purpose of this variable is to certify that the training process is being carried out accordingly, strictly following the requirements of using, time spending, or different materials downloading. To do the certification, the auditor has the general audit variables or specific ones by the course. The general audit allows accessing to the information of the registered student of the course, showing the marks they have got and the list of those materials was downloaded. The auditing of the courses allows to get information of different courses assigned to different users, average marks, and the number of times the material has been downloaded.